Members who know the meaning of loyalty.
IBEW!
Good day, brothers and sisters.
You know we'll get it done.
Hello and welcome back to Out of the Box here on Our Power. What do Benjamin Franklin, Alexander Graham Bell, and Henry Ford have in common? That's right, they're all inventors, and they're among the most famous of all time. But do you know who Peter Goldmark is? What about Earl Tupper or Steve Jobs? Well, they're inventors too. Goldmark invented the color television, Earl Tupper invented Tupperware, and Steve Jobs revolutionized the computer industry with the creation of the Macintosh. Now, some inventions may be more useful than others. Some inventors are more famous than others. But at one time, most were just average, everyday guys trying to make their lives and the things they do just a little bit easier. On today's program, we'll introduce you to two more average, everyday men and their inventions. But here's the kicker. They're both IBEW brothers. Now, are their inventions good enough to stand up to Tupperware or the telephone? Who knows? Only time will tell. But I do know one thing. Both of these inventions will save you time and effort when you're out on the job. Just watch and see how.
Hi, my name is Rick Cannon. I'm a member of Local 3 IBW for 32 years, and I'm here to tell you about my invention, the panel lockout. It's a safety device, a lockout tagout device that keeps the panel door locked and prevents the trim from being removed. It's 13 inches long when retracted. It only weighs 4.5 ounces, so it's portable. It can fit in your tool bag. It's a very sturdy PVC material. So what happens is it's got slots in the back. You unscrew 2 screws across from the panel door. You turn off the breakers that you want to work on. Here's how it works. And you just slide the device over the screws. That's it. Put the lock on and the tag, and that's on there. It's not coming off. The panel trim can't come off because the screws are captured by the device, and the door can't open. So the only person that can open that door is the person with the key, the electrician who's working on it the way it should be with a lockout tagout device. Now it's important to have the tag on there, so if someone does need to get access to this panel, they have the contact information, your cell phone, the company's number, and the location where you're working. I also make this in steel and aluminum because there's some applications for vandalism. They fit panels from 17 inches to 28 inches.
Thanks, Rick. And now let's turn it over to Don Linane out of Local 134, who will show us his invention.
Well, I was doing a lot of cross-connecting and punch-downs and stuff, so I was trying to make things easier and faster, so I came out if I could punch down one pair instead of one wire at a time, it would go quicker. And now phone systems are all coming out where they're a one-pair phone system, and it's always tip and ring, so now you can do it with one punch instead of two. And it's picking up. It's going slow, but it's picking up. That's why I'm trying to get more advertisement out there to let more communication people know that it's available, because it does cut your time in half. And this is the way we used to have to do it. We're doing one wire at a time. And you can see how much slower it is, and you're actually having to punch it down 8 times versus 4. What I'm going to do is take a Cat 5 cable, and it's already stripped, so I'm going to lay it down in the color code and then just punch down a pair at a time. Makes you feel real good that it's out there, you know. I mean, I thought it's something that's going to be used in the economy, you know, in the industry.
Okay, that's a wrap on this IBEW Inventors edition of Out of the Box. Tell a friend to visit us, will you? And remember to subscribe to our email list on the top of the homepage. Thanks for the click this time. See ya.